Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add hyperlink in Google Docs. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add hyperlink in Google Docs. When you are in Google Docs, click Insert. After that, just scroll down and then click on link, and here you have two options, text or search or paste the link, and here you can add a website. Here for example I will add youtube.com. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to add hyperlink in Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.